Marami sa atin ang naghahanap ng lugar kung saan tayo pwedeng huminto, huminga, at tunay na makapagnilay. Yung mararamdaman mo yung sandaling pagtigil ng mundo. Yung tipong kahit saglit, mapapatahimik ka at makakapagmuni-muni. Sa probinsya ng Aklan, may isang exhibit na nagbubukas ng pintong yan. Tara at i-explore natin ang Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum exhibit ng Museo Cardinal sa Barangay Poblacion, New Washington, Aklan. Matatagpuan sa coastal town ng New Washington, ilang minuto lang mula Kalibo, ang Museo Cardinal. Isang tahimik na tahanan ng sining, kasaysayan, at pananampalataya. Pero sa loob nito, may isang karanasang hindi mo lang makikita, kundi mararamdaman din. Ang Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum, kung saan tampok ang Santo Entierro.
The title Santo Entierro comes from the two Spanish words, Santo and Entierro. Santo means holy, Entierro means burial. Santo Entierro means holy burial. And the image of Santo Entierro depicts a scenario which is deeply emotional. It is after the death of our Lord Jesus and a scenario before He was resurrected. And the title of the exhibit is Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum, which means let us go to the Holy Sepulchre.
Isang tagpo ng katahimikan, isang sandali bago ang muling pagkabuhay. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi lahat ay may pagkakataong makarating sa Jerusalem. Pero dito sa Museo Cardinal, parang inilapit na rin sa atin ang karanasang yon.
Many pilgrims were deprived to go to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, to go to Jerusalem because of the war. And we have this Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum. In a way, if they visit this exhibit, it is as if also that they have visited the Holy Sepulchre. It remembers not only the death of Jesus, but it also tells us of His resurrection. And as we visit the Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum, we contemplate on the passion, the death, and the resurrection of Jesus. I remember in 2015, when I first visited the Holy Land, I stayed there for almost 60 days. And there I had this friend. He is a Russian Orthodox. He's not a Roman Catholic. No. He is from Moscow. His name is Alexei. And one time, he invited me to Jerusalem to visit the Holy Sepulchre, the tomb of Jesus. And while we were before the tomb of the Lord, he asked me, Justy, why do you think is this place the holiest place in the whole of Christendom? And I immediately responded, of course, because this is the place where Jesus was buried. And ibang expression niya, sabi niya, for us Russian Orthodox, we consider this as the holiest place in the whole of Christendom because this is the place of Christ's resurrection.
At doon, may nagbago. Habang pinagmamasdan ang Santo Entierro, napagtanto ko, Hindi lang ito tungkol sa kamatayan. Ito ay tungkol rin sa muling pagkabuhay. Na ang kwento hindi nagtatapos sa libingan, na may pag-asa kahit sa gitna ng dilim. Pagpasok mo sa loob, iba ang pakiramdam. Maririnig mo ang pag-awit ng pasyon. Maaamoy mo rin ang nard, ang espesyal na langis na ipinahid kay Hesukristo. At sa bawat sandali, parang may unti-unting binabago sa loob mo.
The Santo Entierro is actually a personal or private devotion of Mrs. Edita Sason. This image is a private property of the Sason family. They loaned this image to the Museo Cardinal so that it will become more accessible to people, so that people could pray to the Santo Entierro just the way how they have this devotion to the Santo Entierro. They also want that this devotion be shared with the faithful. Faith is meant to be shared.
At ngayon, ang isang personal na debosyon ay naging pag-anyaya na para sa lahat.
Ang debosyon sa Santo Entierro ay debosyon ng Pilipino. Debosyon ito ng Pilipinong Katoliko. At tuwing Semana Santa, lalo na tuwing Biyernes Santo, the central image, especially for Good Friday procession, is Santo Entierro. People flock the image of the Santo Entierro. They want to touch the Santo Entierro. And here at Museo Cardinal, through this Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum, they can touch the Santo Entierro. They can pray before the Santo Entierro for a longer time, in private, in solace, and in solemn prayers. We are inviting you to join us to visit this Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum exhibit so that we can meaningfully and fruitfully celebrate Easter. I would like to thank Ms. Elian Macahilas for allowing us to exhibit the image of Mater Dolorosa. We thank also the Sason family for trusting us in taking good care of the image of the Santo Entierro. I also thank our Museo Cardinal family, the Friends of Sin, who are always helping us in our programs, in our projects, and in our operations here at Museo Cardinal. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Dito, walang nagmamadali. Walang istorbo. Ikaw lang at ang iyong panalangin. At sa mga gustong ma-experience ang Ad Sanctum Sepulchrum exhibit, wala kang babayaran para makapasok dito.
Visit Museo Cardinal. It's located in Poblacion, New Washington, Aklan. Please follow also our Facebook page, Museo Cardinal, for more updates and for more learnings. Thank you very much and may God bless you all.
Sa gitna ng katahimikan, may isang paalala na hindi kailanman mawawala. Na ang kamatayan ay hindi ang wakas. At sa bawat pagtingin natin sa Santo Entierro, inaanyayahan tayong maniwalang muli na may liwanag pagkatapos ng dilim. Kung kailangan mo ng sandaling huminto, lumapit ka. Dito sa Museo Kardinal, hindi ka lang bastang bibisita. Uuwi ka na may dalang pag-asa. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa susunod upang tuklasin ang Panay, isang biyahe, isang kwento at a time. Ako si Peach Ledesma at ako ang inyong Panay Explorer.